Hello everybody and welcome back to Let's Play Ratchet Deadlocked. Sorry, I kind of already started, but I'm not that far. But anyway, basically you just missed the shuttle ride and I killed like 3 dudes in one hit. But that's all you missed. My camera wasn't recording when I thought it was. But anyway, enough of that. Alright, let's just boom. I can boom. 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 Boommakers. I love the damage this deals. The damage is the best ever. That's what I call damage. I don't call it damage. I call it damage. I loves me some damage. And destruction. Okay. Oh, hi there. Die. Please. Just. Ah, there we go. Hey, could you die here? Just die here. Pardon me, will I just be done? Okay. Doo-doo. Oh, killed him.
Red zone challenges sometimes use bolt cranks to activate devices or lower force fields. Must be careful, Ratchet.
I'll use it as soon as I kill all of these dudes. Alright, run everyone. Are we good? There, give me some more ammo. There we go. Okay. Crank the crank. Alrighty. Here we go. Hey, wait. Oh. Huh? Hey. Oh. Frick. Got disoriented there. He was facing the wrong way. He was, not me. It's not my fault.
My scanners show an extremely deadly 70mm stalker turret ahead of you, and you'll need to get behind cover immediately.
Yeah, behind cover and preferably not diving into the death water. I'm not even sure if that's water. It may just be, I don't know, laser floor. I don't know. Oh, come on. Come on! Thank you.
Excellent work, Ratchet. Now that you have survived the qualification course, you will be allowed to join us back at our containment area.
Yep. Catch a Chrome 4. Yeah.
Let's keep this quick, boss. Oh, well, far be it for me to keep the superstar exterminator from his busy social schedule. I just have one question for you. Okay, shoot. Would you like to buy an Ace Hardline video game? How about an Ace Hardline lunchbox? Action figures, movie rights, collectible trading cards? Ace Hardline is a perfectly manufactured celebrity, straight from the guts of the gleaming box mania empire. Tell me, why is it that I can't give this stuff away? Well, don't answer that. Let me take a wild guess. It's because my fans can't stand Ace Hardline! He's a pompous with the charisma of blogging Nazis! So, what do you say, exactly? Sip it, Wonder Boy! The little willies and zodies of the world are spending $1 trillion a day on worthless swag, and I'm completely cut out of the market! Either you start selling this junk, or I'll find someone who will! Am I sight?
He needs his diaper changed. Seriously. Calm down there, DeVito. Okay. No. Enough with the cutscenes.
This is the interplanetary transport.
Really, the interplanetary transport. Oh wow, that is fascinating.
Any tampering with the nav
I max out all ammo. Give me the. There we go. Sorry, I'm having kind of a.
This is the weapon screen. Here,
you not?
And modify it. To modify a weapon, select the weapon you want and press X. You will see at the top of the screen the weapons which are available. With the statistics of the weapon just below.
Hey,
Each weapon can equip a
that's
powerful
nice.
Omega modification. These black market upgrades can inflict massive amounts of damage. Causes the ship to explode.
The pewter causes the ship to explode. Wow, imagine that, a pewter. There we go, sorry. I'm a bit frustrated. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. My device that I'm recording with is almost dead. So I'm gonna hurry up and get to the first checkpoint, and then I'm gonna stop the video. Video cuts out in the middle and somehow saves. I will apologize in the next video.
Spring day on Catachrome 4, Juanita, and we kicked off a brand new season of Red Zone.
Yep.
That's right, Dallas. And we're lucky enough to have a bird's-eye view of the action.
Even from up here, this season's Red Zone battle courses look bigger and deadlier than ever.
It's a wonder contestants keep volunteering, isn't it?
That's a good one. Oh, yeah. The box
I apologize for any movement of the camera.
is turning this once sacred robotic burial ground into a deadly Red Zone battle course.
And look, here comes today's first contestant.
Okay. Is it good?
Hi.
Alright.
Scraping the bottom of the barrel to find these guys. I hope you folks at home aren't too squeamish, because the next one looks like a bleeder.
Game face. Alright, sorry for having to move the camera around, but...
Objective is a gimme, Juanita. All he has to do is make his way to the other side of this mountain pass.
Okay. Sorry, but I had to fix that. It was bugging me. Probably bugging you too, but... Again, I apologize for messing with the camera during gameplay. Trying to do this as professionally as one can. Alright.
The shields on that turret are impenetrable. You will have to use an EMP to take them down.
Oh, really? Thanks.
Start the EMP by pressing the left directional button.
Get it. There we go.
Oh, this is more fun than a busload of cheerleaders.
He's a dude.
Defeating enemies automatically upgrades your
God, what you was it now?
and improves your maximum nanotech level.
There we go. Alright, there we go. What? I do that. Shaw. Got that done. I got enough time to knock out another one. Alrighty.
As Team Darkstar
Max out ammo.
continues toward the
Please stop. Please.
what I like to call the chasm of
Fall.
endless falling and eventual dying.
Very
In the
cool.
unlikely event that they survive, they'll take control of the big man and burly walking armor tank Caldo and Sucker. Good luck, kid.
Hey.
Ratchet,
Back
you
off.
have to capture all three nodes to extend the bridge. Here's a deal.
Ah.
Team Darkstar is walking on top of a giant robot burial ground. Hey, Ratchet, I've upgraded your box to turn bulk.
Hey, ow, I already knew that. That's good job. Okay, here we go.
What I want to know
Hey.
is how Ratchet uses the fast
I wish I could fly. Be awesome. Well, in this game, it'd be overkill. There's already so much overkill in this game. You'll see that later on when I get the big guns. Well, okay, I'm not going that way. Apparently. So I really want to. Oh, come on, please. How about you know? There we go, just die. Thank you. Ah! There we go. I'm good. Okay. Boom. Oh. One shot. Oh, one shot. And he apparently killed himself. I didn't see what happened there. Somebody who saw that, tell me.
According to Red
Well,
Zone,
okay, it happened again.
enemies appear red on the radar. Allies appear green. Challenge objectives appear blue.
That's awesome. Thank you. You know your stuff.
Team Darkstar is unstoppable.
Please. Thank you. And I get the upgrade of that. Oh, I love it.
Fox has designed his weapons to gain experience as you use them.
Well, I won't mess with that now. I'm playing.
Upgraded weapons not only do more damage, but can be modified.
There we go. Alright, let's start off. Whoa. Oh, that was a fail. Who wants some? Okay. Oh, we're doing good on time. My God. If I can just get these a-holes over here. Oh, so good.
Ratchet, if you want to extend the bridge, use the node crank.
Okay, I have 20 of this.
Ratchet, you can expand your map at any
Okay,
time
yeah,
to get a
that's
better
great.
view of the area.
Oh, okay, well, doing pretty good. What's that? Oh, we're still doing good on time too. Cool. I'm gonna come over here and get this ammo. Oh, the big checkpoint. Oh, shotgun's the best weapon for zombies. A big alien laser shotgun like this is even better. Oh, come on, just stop. Not bad.
Folks, just a reminder, tomorrow is Keep Your Best Friend in the Pants.
I know.
Free popcorn for everyone who participates. That wasn't so bad. Ratchet, I am detecting a swing shot orb ahead. Jump towards it and hold down the fire button.
Oh,
Your swing shot will deploy automatically and
I didn't make it. I'm really mad. I know. Ah! Oh, wait, what? I'm not dead? How do I get back up though? Would you? Wow, that was, whew. Oh boy. There we go. And wow, that works out just about perfect. That's all for this part, folks. I will be back.